Welcome to Old School Tech, the corner of the internet where gadgets meet sarcasm and practicality. Today, I've got something fresh straight from the land of AliExpress miracles, an original case for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, with a little twist. So picture this. I was wandering through the digital jungle of AliExpress, and I stumbled upon a Xiaomi gem you simply can't buy around here. My willpower? About as strong as a paper umbrella in a monsoon, so yeah, I clicked buy now. 2 weeks later, a sleek black box lands on my desk, covered in Chinese characters that scream so loudly what's inside, even if you don't speak the language, you'd still get the idea. Inside, perfectly packed, exactly how Xiaomi likes to do it. The damage? Just under 2,000 crowns. Was it worth it? Oh yes, definitely. Here's what makes this case special. First, full protection. It wraps the back, sides, even the bottom around the USB-C port, like armor for your phone. Second, the grip. Not as massive as Xiaomi's photography kit, but still solid. And honestly, it feels better in the hand than a cold beer on a Friday night. Third, extra buttons. Built right into the case, you get a shutter button for photos and one for video. The shutter is even two-stage. Half press to focus, full press to shoot. It's not surgical precision, but for daily photography, more than enough. Fourth, strap mounts. 2 corners with a strap included. Mine came dark green, matching the case perfectly. Sling it over your shoulder, and no chance your phone will fly out like soap in the shower. And finally, Bluetooth magic. Yep, the grip has its own tiny battery. Buttons work wirelessly. Pairing is simple. Hold the shutter, find the device, done. Charging? A neat little magnetic cable, just like the Redmi Watch 5. I'll be testing this case in real life over the next few weeks, and later I'll drop a full review on Xiaomi Community. And that's it for today's Tech Snack. If you enjoyed this little dive into AliExpress wonders, hit like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, because Old School Tech always has something weird and wonderful up its sleeve. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.